Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Zoom meeting password is showing incorrect. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your Zoom meeting is also saying something like incorrect password or can't connect to the meeting, first of all that you should try asking your host for the password again. And if the password still shows the password is incorrect, then the second thing you should try is to join with the meeting link. When you join a meeting with the meeting link, you don't have to enter the password. And if this option also doesn't work, you should check if you have any problems into your internet connections or not. And wait for some minutes and try again later. Then your problem of passwords in Zoom will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.